Hello, I am Joey, and I'll be giving my presentation over my two postcards, my two vintage postcards that we made this unit. So for my first one here, you can see I didn't do a normal city. I actually did the planet Mars, and I used a Mars landscape I found online. And for the greetings from and the state, or where a state would be, I actually use symbols to sort of signify an alien language of some sort. And as you can see, the pictures I chose in it were from the well-known Mars Attack series. And I actually used one picture and split it up between the four letters, and I think it turned out really well. And then I used some filters to make it seem more vintage. Here's the mock-up version of it. Not much to say on this one, just put it onto the mock-up. And then my second postcard was for the city Calabasas in California. This is a city by Los Angeles. And for the pictures, I just included some landscapes of surrounding areas, a house from Calabasas, skyline of the area around it, and also put a picture of Kanye West in a Sunday service because this is where he lives and puts on Sunday service on occasion. And as you can see also, I just applied the photo filters, same thing that I did to the Mars postcard. This one I had to get a lot more pictures due to all the letters. There's a different picture on each one. Then this is what it looks like put on the postcard template. I think both of mine turned out really well, and I didn't really have much problems on any of them. And that's it. Thank you.